to see, and I'm waiting to see what's there outside. And seeing the students look at history and our heritage and culture, which is so rich, so diverse. I'm looking at that. Teaching can be made so interesting. That's what I have realized coming here this morning. And I'm sure there are many more things that the school is doing. And I wish the school and the students the very best of luck for everything that you are doing. Work hard, study hard, play hard, and be the one that you want to become.
Regarding our today's event, as parents are also here, the reason is that we are joining the Pathankot chapter, which was started by Army retired generals to preserve the heritage. And Pathankot chapter will be started by MCS Pathankot. And apart from that, we have also joined the Heritage Club, which is all India level, where children are not only going to make the models, because this is just the beginning. They have to study physics, chemistry, biology, political background, economic background of those buildings. How it was, what kind of rock was used there. Because beginning is always at a smaller part, but slowly and gradually, children have to go ahead for it.
My name is Vanshika
and my name is Deepika.
We have made the Katgarh temple. It is the most ancient and old temple of Pathankot, Punjab. The most amazing fact about this temple is the Shivling inside it.
It gets separated into two parts. The one represents the Lord Shiva and the other the goddess Parvati.
Today I visited this exhibition at MCS school, and I must say I really appreciate the hard work the students have put in. Students have done wonderful job, but they have exhibited a wonderful work of creativity by showing the cultural heritage and the monuments of India.
This is a model of Bahu Fort situated in the Jammu city of UT Jammu and Kashmir. Raja Bahu Lochan is credited with making of this Bahu Fort, and his younger brother Raja Jambu Lochan is credited with establishing the Jambu Nagari or Jambupura, which is present day Jammu.
Where does media surround us? Literally everywhere.
Media today isn't just about reading words, it's about reading the world. What leads is what leads. This is how modern media works.
This is why it is important to hold media accountable.
Because if a journalist becomes unethical, we lose an entire populace.
So that's why media literacy has its relevance.
So that truth wins over narrative.
So good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Monica Gupta. अभी जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो मैं मॉन्टेसरी कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल पठानकोट में खड़ी हूँ. यहाँ पे आज 8 नवंबर को स्कूल की तरफ से एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, एक बहुत वास्ट एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज की गई है. और ये एग्जीबिशन की जो प्रिपरेशन है वो सारे स्कूल के टीचर्स की कोऑर्डिनेशन से सारे स्कूल के बच्चों ने मिलके ये बनाया है. डिफरेंट थीम्स हैं यहाँ पर. कहीं पे मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, जैसे किसी ने जम्मू का बाहू फोर्ट किला डिपिक्ट किया है, कहीं कुतुब मीनार है, कहीं ताजमहल है, कहीं आपको बहुत और जो भी हमारे देश का हेरिटेज है वो देखने को मिलेगा. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी पे कुछ मॉडल्स हैं. बहुत सी थीम्स पे हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्क्लेव है बेसिकली ये एक, जो कि यहाँ पे आज मॉन्टेसरी कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई है.
Oh wow, it's about the stock market. Can you please just tell me the golden rule of stock market in just a few seconds?
Stock market is like planting a tree. If you keep watering it, then it will give you fruits. But if you keep pulling it out to check its root, then it dies.
What is ITR? Can you please explain me in few seconds?
ITR is basically stands for income tax returns. It's like a form for a person's income within a financial year.
Can you tell me the difference between OPS and NPS?
OPS is the old pension scheme in which you get half of the last withdrawn salary per month. If you talk about NPS, then in NPS, government and employer contributes together in the market forces and gets the best return.
This is our project that we have converted the waste material out of waste material, which we converted like these dolls are made up of newspaper and other paper materials. These bottles are which we throw in like a waste. We converted it into a flower pot, decorative items.
Hi, so we are displaying different types of artwork over here. These are acrylic paintings done on canvases, and this is lippin art on a plywood with some wherever on it.
And here we have displayed different kinds of craft works. So here we have a boat made of ice cream sticks, and then we have newspaper dolls, some tissue art, some paintings on plywood, some lippin, and much more.